Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inviting Dyno and giving it precise permissions, not blanket administrator unless required. Create a Dyno role positioned above any roles it will manage. Once done, assign that role to the bot. Next, open the Dyno dashboard and set a custom prefix so commands don't clash with other bots. Make sure you log into the same Discord account that can manage server. This allows Dyno to apply settings immediately and saves time when enabling modules. Once Dyno is invited, focus on the dashboard modules. Enable moderation, auto-moderation, and logs first, then configure thresholds for warns, softbins, and auto-mutes so automated actions match your server culture. Create custom commands and timed roles for events. Make sure you test them in a private channel to avoid accidental mass actions. Configure mute channel permissions and role hierarchy carefully, because Dyno executes actions relative to its role position. Finally, set webhook and embed options for cleaner logs. You finish by running a checklist of tests: warn, mute, custom command, and role assignment. Verify each action appears in logs. Once satisfied, export settings or record screenshots so you can restore configurations quickly. Make sure moderation roles and channel overrides are correct. If commands fail, first check Dyno's role order and channel permission overrides. Also, confirm you haven't hit Discord rate limits. If issues persist, remove conflicting bots or temporarily lower strict auto-moderation to identify the problematic rule.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.